Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to conventions of standard English? The Arctic Alpine Botanic Garden in Norway and the Jardim Botanico of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil are two of the many botanical gardens around the world, dedicated to growing diverse plant blink, fostering scientific research, and educating the public about plant conservation. So a key point here is that this second part seems to highlight a complex series where there's a long series which is separated by semicolons. So option A says species, comma, both native and non-native, comma. This is incorrect because instead of this comma at the end, there should be a semicolon because in a complex series, semicolons are used to split each element in the list. So A is incorrect. B. Species, comma, both native and non-native, semicolon. This seems to be the correct answer because this comma properly separates the phrase to growing diverse plant species and the supplementary phrase which describes it, both native and non-native. And then it uses a semicolon after to show this is a complex series where it separates the growing diverse plant species from fostering scientific research and then educating the public about plant conservation. So B seems to be the correct answer. C. Species, semicolon, both native and non-native, comma. This is incorrect because this semicolon used before this phrase, both native and non-native, improperly places this into the second, separates this as a second element in the complex series, whereas this phrase, both native and non-native, describes the phrase growing diverse plant species. So C is incorrect. D. Species, both native and non-native. This is incorrect because without a proper punctuation before this both, it doesn't correctly separate this into two phrases, where the supplementary phrase doesn't properly describe the phrase growing diverse plant species. And so D is incorrect, and the correct answer is B.